Hey everyone, today I decided to do a chatty kind of video. I don't do a lot of these, but I thought that I would talk through this stamp with me, and it's going to be very informal. You will probably hear Connor in the background talking about Jurassic Park and dinosaurs. He's watching Jurassic Lego World thing, and he's 4, so he loves dinosaurs and he loves to talk about them, so you may hear him. It's cute. I wanted to address some stuff in the channel. I don't know if many of you have noticed, but I decided to do a new upload schedule, and I upload 5 days a week now, unless something comes up and I miss a day, and which has happened this past week. I like to load Monday through Friday and have the weekend off, and that's when I usually answer comments or edit for the next upcoming week. Now this week was a little bit off. You'll probably see this video, I don't know, Friday 28th of September, and yeah, we watch Allie, which is my sister's new baby, 3 times a week. So that has interfered a little bit with my uploading, but that's okay. We're about to get back to normal. So I just wanted to let you guys know about my new uploading schedule. Then I wanted to talk about some new makeup stuff I'm looking forward to. I may, you guys, get the Huda Beauty. I don't know anything from them. The Emerald palette, isn't that a beauty? I am 100% getting the Morphe. Now I don't own anything from Morphe either, so these are kind of bigger purchases for me. Everyone loves Morphe and I have to try them. At first I wanted the Jaclyn Hill stuff, but now I'm 100% getting the Morphe Dare to Create palette, or something like that it's called. I want that, I need it, I'm getting it. There's also a new one on there, a colorful one. I'm getting that as well. I am 100% getting those. I am on the hunt for the new Ellie Color stuff that was brought to my attention in 2 separate comments. Thank you, ladies. I have found the nude palette, and there will be at least 2 tutorials coming up with that 4-color palette. It's called Bare It All, and it says nude on the front of it. It was only $1. So I'm definitely going to be filming with that. For sure 2 looks. Now I am on the hunt for the other Ellie Color stuff. If I cannot find some of the stuff I'm looking for in the stores like Dollar General or Family Dollar here where I live, I'm going to place an order online. They do have a website and they have lots of different products on there. Some products that you may never see in a store. So I suggest checking out elliecolors.com. It's a really nice site. You get free shipping over $35 too, so that's not bad. I am interested in the e.l.f. Opposites palette. If anyone already owns that, let me know how you like it. I'm interested in that. Some people that I've been liking to watch on YouTube. Shani Banny's back, you guys. Shani Banny! You need to subscribe to her channel. Go check her out. I love her videos so much. She's such a sweet lady. You guys need to go check her out. I love, also a recent new find for me is the Oh My Glasses channel. Love her as well. Subscribe. She is awesome too. And Brianna Fox. Now I've been recreating looks from those ladies because they're awesome, and you definitely need to check out their channels. I plan on doing more DIYs. Maybe do some grocery hauls and some, I don't know, let me know what you guys want to see in the comments below. Give me some ideas. I have no ideas, tutorial ideas. And one other thing I want to talk about, what shows are you excited for? Okay, Walking Dead comes back on October 7th. I've lost a bit of interest in the show because of what they are doing and what they've done, and I miss Carl. I am excited for it to come back on. I'm excited for Z Nation. I like that show. Making a Murderer Part 2 in October. Excited for that. Really enjoyed that series. I really enjoy crime documentaries, or sometimes I even refer to them like murder docs. I enjoy that kind of stuff. My husband's like, how do you watch that stuff? How can you sit through that stuff? Well, I'll tell you. I don't know, but I enjoy them. They intrigue me. They make me super paranoid, though. They do. They make me paranoid. I can't help it. I'm still watching through Malcolm in the Middle. We love Malcolm in the Middle. And let's see, what else have I been watching? Oh, if you guys haven't checked out Deadly Women on the ID channel, awesome show. Oh, I recommend, if you do like crime docs and stuff, do recommend watching I Am a Killer on Netflix. That's pretty good as well. And yeah, that about do it for shows. I don't even know. But yes, we're at the end of our nail tutorial. We actually went over a bit, but that's okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this style of video. I enjoyed filming it, and I like to get to know you guys better. I know you probably want to get to know me better, and this is a good way to do it. I'm going to talk and chat like friends, and let me know any makeup suggestions in the comments below. Oh, one more other thing. I am looking forward to the Maybelline Soda Pop palette. Yes, I love me some Maybelline. You guys probably already know that. And give me some good recommendations for full coverage drugstore foundations and concealers, and what is a good pore filling primer from the drugstore. Yes, let's leave it at that. Leave me some comments below. Thank you guys for watching.